And then our next quilt for Quilt Club that we're going to do, and I don't have a date for this yet, and I'm just now working on the pattern and fabric amounts, but we should have, I'm hoping within the next 10 days to have the pattern done, the fabrics figured, and all of that. And we'll send you an email so that you'll know that the kits are ready, the pattern's ready, and all of that. And of course, Quilt Club, you purchase your patterns, but in Premium Club, your downloads each Monday are a part of your club. Okay, so this one is our next one for Quilt Club that we'll be learning, and I'm calling this Sparkler Star because we have so many stars that we make. We've used the patriotic fabric. It's red. This is our 250 anniversary, so I thought fireworks sparklers was cool, and so this one is Sparkler Star. And once again, as I was working on the pattern yesterday for this one, I was like, what a stunning quilt, how difficult it looks. And part of that is because it's put diagonally, it's put on point, but this is really such a simple quilt. So this is the next one we'll teach. It will be sometime from the end of August to the end of September. We'll teach it I would love to teach it in August, so we'll see how Quilt Club goes when we get started with it, and then we'll look for a day. I would love to teach this in August. And it's called Sparkler Star. It's a little less than 60 by 60. Of course, you can make it larger. The kit with the back is going to be around, I think right now I have it at 169 if all the fabrics stay true to what I have figured so far. And that includes your backing and your pattern, so that's really a nice amount. We use the tan with red, We the People, for our background, and then this red one right here is called Celebrate. Now you could also do this in the blues. We have which is actually kind of a navy blue, that kettle black that we have. It's an antique navy black. You can do that in the red, and then we have the tan with the navy kettle black for the background. So that would really be pretty in the dark ones also. We had a student at the beginning of our last semester do Liz's Gift in those two color combos of the black, and that Liz's Gift was stunning, stunning, stunning. So I know this one would be beautiful in the blue. And so this one is one that's coming, and it's called Sparkler Star.